Hello, good morning, friends. Today is my great pleasure to have this dais to give the talk on water vascular system. Before explaining water vascular system, I would like to congratulate entire organizing team of KTHM College. They are conducting this FDP program. It is very beneficial for the teachers, for the preparation of videos, and many other things. Friends, we know that uh, the starfish, this organism comes under phylum Echinodermata. And we know that in invertebrate there are 9 phylums, and each and every phylum having some speciality. For example, when we are talking about the protozoan or phylum Protozoa, these animals are very special. They show great biodiversity, found in water, found in air, found in soil. They also show parasitic mode of life, and the reproduction is very important in case of protozoans. In case of Porifera, water canal system is very important. In Coelenterate, polymorphism. In case of Ascahelminth, parasitism. Platyhelminthes, similarly, in case of annelids, these animals they shows metamerism. In arthropods, they have open blood vascular system. They have spiracular respiration. They shows metamorphosis. So these are the different things, especially found in arthropods. In case of mollusk, we are studying foot of mollusk, and in echinoderm, this animal in this particular animal, water vascular system is very important. Friends, the starfish having 5 arms, it is star-like, therefore we are calling them starfish. They are marine. They shows radial symmetry. They have 2 surfaces. The surface which shows presence of mouth at the center is called as the oral surface. And the surface it shows presence of anus is called as the aboral surface. So these animals are benthic. They prefer the rocky bottom, and they have well developed water vascular system. It is shown in the figure. So water vascular system, it is also called the ambulacral system. It has madreporoid, which is button-shaped structure. It has smaller openings. With the help of these openings, they take water, and that water comes into the stone canal. It is a S-shaped stone canal. It runs from aboral surface to oral surface, and finally it opens into ring canal. It is present around the mouth. Inside the ring canal, we will find 9 tegument bodies, and outside the ring canal, we will find the Polian vesicle. Water vascular system having several functions. One, it is useful for locomotion, it is useful for respiration, even it is useful for excretion also. So, these Polian vesicle, they are responsible to maintain the pressure. So, water comes from madreporoid into stone canal, from stone canal into ring canal, from ring canal it goes into radial canal. And lateral to the radial canal, we will find the smaller and larger Lateral to the radial canal, there are smaller and larger lateral canals. And lateral canal opens into membranous tube feet. Tube feet is elongated structure having sucker, podium, and ampulla. So water comes along with this entire water vascular system. Finally, it comes into tube feet. In between tube feet and lateral canal, there is a non-return valve. So once water comes into tube feet, it cannot going back into the lateral canals. So these tube feet having ampulla, they have a podium and sucker. It is useful for locomotion, and it is also useful for food capturing, and uh, these particular things are very important for this animal. So these starfish, they are living in aquatic medium, or they are living in marine water. So starfish, it has a very important characteristic feature. They shows power of autotomy. Whenever any part of the arm, it is held up by any organism, so that particular part, it is shedded off from the body, and after some days it is replaced by new one. So that is called the autotomy and regeneration. This organism, they are living in marine water. They feed on smaller molluscan organism. They have two surfaces, oral surface and aboral surface. And on the oral surface, at the center, there is a mouth. From mouth, umbilical grooves, they are radiating, and these umbilical grooves, they are surrounded by umbilical spines. So that is movable umbilical spine. And on the aboral surface, there is the presence of madreporite. It is present in between two arms, and that is called a bi-VM position. And this aboral surface, it shows presence of the immovable spines. At the base of immovable spines, there are presence of pedicelaria, and these pedicelaria are of two types, cross type and straight type. It is responsible to remove the debris from outside. So this is what the water vascular system is, and this system is very important because it has many functions. One, it is locomotion. Second one, respiration. It also helps for the process of digestion, for food capturing, and food, it is brought just near to mouth, and this it is useful for locomotion also. So this is the starfish. It comes under phylum Echinodermata because presence of spines on the body. Therefore, it called as the echinus means spines, dermata means derm, spines presence on the derm. Therefore, it comes under phylum Echinodermata. So this organism, the entire body is calcareous, and it has power of autotomy, power of regeneration. They have well developed digestive system. Digestive system is very sharp, and other systems are also there. Circulatory system is there, nervous system is there, reproductive system is there. Sexes are separate in starfish, male starfish and female starfish. But it is very difficult to identify externally which is the male starfish and the female starfish. External sexual dimorphic character is absent in case of starfish. So um, these starfish, it is also called a sea star, and the scientific name of starfish is Astris rubens. The body, it is somewhat star-like, and this is very important organism. Uh, thank you very much for giving an opportunity to prepare this video. So this is just a first, this is my second educational video I am preparing for the FDP program. Thanks to the entire organizing committee. Thank you very much.